What's happening? It's Joy Papers Vision and Art Group, and today we're talking about sneakers. Sneakers. Put that shit on. You guys know me for talking about technology and music video direction and tips and tricks and all that good stuff, but I'm low-key a sneakerhead. I'm a low-key sneakerhead, man. Now, I don't buy shoes to not wear them, so I actually wear my sneakers. So this is my top 5 shoes that I recommend to you guys based on a couple things, right? And that's comfort, look and style, ease of use, and that ease of use being putting them on and taking them off. Here's my top 5 out of my collection. No particular order. Let's do it. Now the first shoes I'm gonna recommend to you guys is these Yeezys. Yeezys. These are the sesame joints. The sesame. Look good. Got the shoe technology in there from Adidas. Lightweight. You're gonna look good on set with these. Trust me, you're gonna look good on set with Yeezys. Everlasting design. I got the zebra joints. These are probably my favorite pair of Yeezys of all time. You guys can see I wear these all the time, you know. If I'm traveling, I'm on the road, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna have these. You can see the character on them. They're dirty, but we ain't gonna call them dirt. We're gonna call that character, all right? But I'm gonna have these guys on, you know. And again, lightweight, stylish, timeless design. Neon joints. These joints right here, these are fire too. And again, you know, with the Yeezys, you got the bend test, lightweight, good sole, good technology, fit, tie up good, strings don't come loose, and they're easy to put on, easy to take off. My next pair of shoes that I'm going to recommend out of my collection to you guys is these Air Max. Now, I probably will wear these more than any other pair of shoes that I own when I'm out in the field, and that's simply because good on your feet. Like, your feet won't be hurting at the end of the day. You know, they got a good sole. You know, they're not heavy, but they're mid-weight. You see them air bubbles right there. Another thing that I like about them is they're gold. I like that they're gold because you can't really see the dirt on them. You can see it on the white part on the sole. You can't really see the dirt on the actual shoe. And they stay looking clean. Like, I can walk through rain, a little mud, and the white part will get dirty, but you can't really see nothing on the shoe. That's why I love these shoes too, because I can just pack them up, run around, do my thing with them. Won't have to worry about cleaning them off, wiping them off. I can just throw them back on and keep going and still look good. I feel like this is a classic, timeless design, man. You pretty much can wear them with anything and look like a hype beast. That's just how I feel. But yeah, I highly recommend these, man. I also own the Air Max 97 Ultras. These is another pair of shoes that I recommend out the Air Max collection. Got the air bubble, good design, gold. As far as comfort with these, man, I give these probably like a 7 or a 6. Mainly because of the ankle support. Like, they're a little stiff around the ankle, but these definitely will not have your feet on fire at the end of your business day. And they look good, they're stylish, classic, timeless. You won't go wrong with these on set. Another pair of recommendations, man, that I'm gonna give you guys is these guys. Thermoball slides from North Face. I actually own 2 pair of these. On the black joints, again, gold, yellow. I recommend these because they're like slides, you know, they're like bedroom slippers. Bedroom slippers with muscles. Ease of use putting these on is like a 10 out of 10. You know, you can actually like just throw your feet on the back and like just wear them like slides. You feel me? And you can actually like just pull them up over your heel. You know how Crocs got sport mode? Let's call that sport mode, you know? So wear them like slides or pull them up, throw them in sport mode. They got like a fur in here, and that fur pretty much keeps your foot warm. I highly recommend these, man. Good bottom sole. You got a good bottom sole, so you can pretty much wear them over anything, you know? Again, you can wear them in water. I wear these probably like 7 or 8 times out of 10. Like, I probably have these on too. So, but I recommend them. Highly recommend them. My next pair of shoes, it's probably one of my favorites, is these guys, man. Prestos. The Nike Prestos. I love these shoes. This is the only pair I own. I think these are like the Racer Blue joints. Nike Prestos, light. These are probably like the lightest pair of shoes I own, even lighter than the Yeezys. The Yeezys are light, but these are super like style with the colorways, clear tip, classic design. They're super, super comfortable on your feet. They conform to your feet. This part right here, man, your toes can stretch. They're breathable. And again, the bend test. Man, you can throw these in your pocket. You can throw these in your pocket. You can pack about 10 pair of these in your pants pocket. Fold them up, come right back. I highly recommend these guys. End of the day, your feet will definitely not be hurting wearing these. Now, I got some honorable mentions. I love wearing Birkenstocks. You know, those are my go-to slides. I don't have a pair right now, man. I think they're in my trunk, but Birkenstocks, I love the look of Birkenstocks. I love the feel of Birkenstocks. Now, you have to break Birkenstocks in, but once you break them in, I'm wearing my Birkenstocks. My last recommendation is these Tech Gray Oreos. I think they're called Oreos. Tech Gray Jordan 4s. I love the tongue on these guys. It's fire, right? I love these guys. The leather on these Jordans are amazing, man. I had these shoes for a while, and trust me, the longer I have them, the more I wear them, the leather just gets more beautiful, gets prettier, getting better with age. And these are super comfortable, man. The 4s are comfortable, and it's maybe because I done broke these in that they're comfortable. But if I was to grab a pair of Jordans, it'd probably be these or the low top Jordan 11s. You know, low top Jordan 11s are real comfortable too. But I would pick these up if I was to wear a pair of Jordans on set. That's it, man. If you're a sneakerhead like me, man, I recommend you guys looking into these shoes. You know, again, you know, comfort, style, look, you know, ease of use when it comes to putting them on and taking them off. You know, you don't want your feet swell up at the end of the day. You know, we'll be on set all day. We'll be running around doing all kind of stuff. You know, you want to look good, but you also want to be comfortable, man. Take care of yourself. Take care of them knees, all right? Links to all of this stuff will be in the description. Like, comment, share. Let me know what you guys think. What are your top 5 shoes that you like to wear on set, you know? Or just give me one. Give me one. Let me know what you guys like wearing on set when it comes to being comfortable and looking good, all right? It's Joy Papers Visionary Art Group. It's the Future Proof America, one YouTube video at a time. Y'all know we power and independence. Y'all know my motto. We're on these visionaries. Be a visionary. Peace.